Good morning. One final time from beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. It is May 12th, 2018. I am J.R. Swift. This is Vegas Tips and Tricks, our Virgin Vegas vlog. And if you've been enjoying yourself so far, I'm sure today will be no exception. Well, it might be an exception. There's not a whole lot of sightseeing in this particular day's events. After I made my way back from downtown to the Strip, I spent the entire day on a small stretch of the Strip between Casino Royale and the Cromwell. Mostly gambling and probably having a few too many beverages. You may notice I'm slurring a bit in the video when you hear me talk. That's good fun, right? I always say that there's someone special for everyone, and yesterday I found that special someone who would bring me a beer every 15 minutes. And she was relentless, so I was right here at the Cromwell, ladies and gentlemen. Had a pretty good day gambling, so there are a fair number of pictures of things that I won. There's some silly bonus rounds that I recorded. You'll have to see if I won big. I never do, though, so you know I'm probably not going to win big. But I did some karaoke yesterday, but that is thankfully not recorded for posterity. But what is recorded for posterity, if you stay till the very end of the video, there's a dancing girl. It's not me. It's a real dancing girl, so you're going to want to stay tuned for that. Today I'm going to head to the north end of the Strip, do some videos around there, so we'll definitely have some photos and some things to show you tomorrow and going forward, obviously. And I'm also going to try to make it over to the Palms today and check on what's going on over there. I know they're in the midst of a major remodel, so I want to show you that. So, there will probably not be a video promptly tomorrow. Maybe by the end of the day, maybe a day or two later, but we will have one more video of whatever I do today, and then the trip home. I've had a good time doing this. It's been challenging. It's been interesting. Hopefully every day I get a little smarter about how to make these videos a little bit better. I appreciate all of you who've watched and all of you who have subscribed to the channel. If you haven't, please do, because it makes me feel good. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and sign off for now, and we will talk to you again soon. Have a great day. Okay, so I have done very little today. I came back from downtown this morning and went up to my room at the Cromwell and chilled for a little while. Then I went downstairs and started playing and having some beers for about the last 2-3 hours at the Cromwell. So it was a bunch of, halfway decent wins that you'll see here on this video. But I don't know. I am thinking this is not a very interesting vlog today because I am not doing much. But hopefully, I am about to win huge. I think winning huge is about to happen. So if I do, you know, but I'm going to go ahead and share that with you. So,
And if we do, it's going to be a lot of misadventures tonight. So keep your fingers crossed. It's going to happen. Okay, so we got this bonus round, so we're gonna see if we get anything good with it. I don't know. Knowing me, probably not, but we'll have 3 spins remaining, so we need a big spin winner right here. One that gives me like thousands of dollars. I don't know, I'm sitting here at the link, decided I needed to get a beer at the tag bar because it is closing down apparently pretty soon. And that is very sad for me because it is my favorite casino bar in Las Vegas because they have a lot of interesting beers. And we want a grand total of $23.50. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, like this video and subscribe to our channel. We totally got the Sky Wheel again, so I think it's going to be a big winner right now. I'm thinking hundreds at least of dollars. So, here you go. Spin the Sky Wheel. I think we need, I don't know, we need something. $4.50. That is the best we can get. Oh, that is depressing. I guess we're playing again. I think times whatever it is with the respin. Oh, yeah, that's horrible. Well, anyway. I think I'm fine. Thank you, though. Alright, so, we got something here. Okay. Well, there you go. Hoping that would be better, but and we're gonna see how this goes. I think it's gonna be a huge win this time. I'm tired. We got the mini, that's like $8 or something. Probably. I don't know. Well, yeah, better than losing. But, no, $6. $6. Okay, there you go. Well, we got the Sky Wheel again. At this time, it's going to be massive. Oh my God, are you kidding? 240? That's horrible. Well, whatever. We got it.